Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel guys. All right, so are you actually having some hair falls? Like I used to have that a whole lot when I was actually pregnant for my first baby. You know, I used to experience my front hair falling off a whole lot. But when you're actually having those hair falls because of hormones, like pregnancy and stuff, my dear, do not worry, don't try this remedy because it's not going to help you. But if you're not carrying a baby, like if you're not pregnant, this is actually going to work for you. If you're having a tiny hair, your hair is actually breaking, falling, and your hair is looking chapped and dry, I got your back, okay? Because I'm going to be showing you some amazing ingredients, some amazing remedy that would help you stop the hair fall, also help you thicken your hair and make your hair really grow out long. Okay guys, so please thumbs up the video, subscribe, yeah, and share it. Now the very first ingredient, which is very important for this hair growth remedy, is this, and this is ginger. Okay, so ginger is a great and effective remedy that actually helps your hair grow, and it actually helps to remove dandruff. So it works so much in removing dandruff and making your hair shine, making your hair grow out really well. Okay guys, so what you do is to grab your medium-sized ginger, and then you peel it all off. Well, this is my own way of peeling ginger, because I made a video previously and a lot of people were bashing me, from the way I was actually peeling my ginger. Guys, people have their different ways of doing things. Okay guys, so after that's done, I have to cut my ginger into tiny pieces. Alright guys, so after that is done, transfer the ginger into this blender, and for a rapid hair growth guys, you're literally going to be needing to use moringa seed guys. Now do you know that moringa seed is actually one amazing ingredient that helps your hair grow out really fine? Okay, this is an amazing ingredient. So what you do is to heat it this way to remove the shell. Okay? This is the moringa seed itself, and I'm equally going to be putting it into the ginger too. Put in a little water, just a little water, cover it all up, and then blend it. Alright, so this is how it's looking like, and what you have to do is to grab your strainer, strain this house, because you can't afford to, you know, put all of this chap on your hair. Okay, it's actually going to make your hair dirty, or it's going to take you a whole lot of time to be able to remove the chaff. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the ginger and the moringa juice. Very effective for and hair growth. Okay guys, so you're equally going to be needing to use avocado. Now when it comes to avocado, this thing helps so much for an easy hair growth. It helps so much to make your hair really grow out really fast. It helps your hair from falling. Okay, so since I have a half cut of my avocado, and since I actually do not even need too much of it, I'm gonna grab this, remove the avocado meat, and now what I'll do is to mash the avocado to give me a paste of pastes. Alright. Alright guys, so this is my avocado, and I just actually put it into this mortar and pound it so that so what I'll do. Alright guys, so since I have this mixer here, manual mixer, I'm going to use it to mix this, and so that I can actually blend all of it together without me wasting too much of time. Okay, so you can see how it has actually mixed it really good and fine. Okay guys, so after that is done, your hair would require an olive oil. Okay, so we're gonna be putting just 1 tablespoon of olive oil into this, and then we'll mix it, and this is literally going to be a complete ingredient. Right, so this is how it's gonna be like. Okay guys, so you're gonna apply this at least once in every 2 weeks, okay, if you want your hair to stay thick, okay, and you're literally gonna apply it from your hair scalp down to the tip of your hair. Okay, so this is how you're going to apply it. Sorry guys, I'll have to be using my hands to show you. Okay, so this is how you're going to be applying this. You're going to apply it down from your scalp. You're gonna use a comb, pat your hair, apply it, just like this. You pat it and apply it, you pat and apply, you pat and apply it from the back right to the front side, okay, and apply from the scalp of your hair down to the tip of your hair, and make sure that this ingredients soak into your hair really well and good. Now after which it has soaked into your hair, very next thing you're going to be doing is to get a shower cap, cover your hair, let it stay for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, and after that then you can actually go wash it off. Now when you wash your hair, with a warm water, okay, and make sure that your avocado is smooth so that it doesn't actually just stain on your hair and all of that stuff. Now make sure you put your hair in a running water and wash it off, and everything will go off. Then you apply either olive oil again, or you apply coconut oil, yeah, and the ingredients this is going to help you a whole lot to grow your hair, make your hair really thick, and make it full equally. Okay, so give this a go. Once in every 2 weeks you do this, at least 2 times in a month, and you're going to see a huge result. Make sure you do this for at least 3 months stretch. Yeah, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and this hair growth is going to be a saving grace for you, and it's going to help you grow your hair. So share this video, and I'll see you again in the next video.